Alright, good morning guys. Welcome back to another one. We are out here with another Brekkie meet. This is going to be with Brekkie and Mafia Motorsports. They're hosting out here in Torrance. We've been doing rolling and everything else, and it's absolutely crazy out here. So, as always, you guys let me know what you think. Drop those comments below. I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to show you what's going on today, and we're going to have another fun one. Alright, thanks. Alright guys, so I'm going to run you around, show you what's out here. I'm kind of on the back side of the show right now. We're in this cool kind of industrial park. It's nothing but automotive stuff. Like all the buildings all the way back seem like they do a bunch of automotive stuff. So it's pretty cool. They've, the meet's so big, they've kind of taken over all the extra sections back here. But we had a good mix of cars. We got some really fun ones. The little S13, little like 180 spec on some works wheels. We got a couple drift setups, stance cars. The 370 here definitely has a lot of wheel in the back that he's got tucked in. And it's kind of cool, like I was saying there, you know, it's a bunch of like automotive shops and everything else. I didn't expect to see a 32. I'm gonna have to take a look at it. I wonder if they'll let me come in and take a peek at it. Can I take a peek?
Yeah.
Cool, man. I appreciate it. So, guys, like I was saying, there's just a ton of automotive shops here. I've been talking to the owners about a couple of their projects they got in here. They got the Alpha. They got the 300ZX Turbo, which they just redid all the paint on this one. And, I mean, it looks better than factory fresh, you know. This is actually a really nice car. And then what brought me in initially, let me walk you guys around the other side and I'll show you. See if I can sneak through over here. What brought me in initially. Check out this R32. So they got an R32 GTST. They're doing a full repaint on it, fixing the Y body kit that's on it, making it all super clean. So you can tell it's a drift spec setup, but they're gonna do all the cut-ins for the guy because, you know, it had been painted someplace else. So they're gonna do all the cut-ins for him. They're gonna repaint it, keep from what they're saying, kind of keep this tone right here for color, but make it pop more. You know, probably more flake, a little deeper, probably a lot deeper, honestly. But yeah, man, this shop's pretty cool. They do some good work. I wasn't expecting, like, I've been away from the show for like the last like half an hour. I've been over here talking with them about the cars they do and everything else. All right, guys, so we moved up into the front of the lot. I wanted to show you some of the cars that are up here. Got, like I said, a lot of cool cars, good mix. Of course, the M3 I just showed you guys, the Impala. Little Infinity with the 326 wing. Man, that's cool. I like it. I didn't expect to see that wing on this car. Got a little Honda 600 down here. Got a big body Jag on air. It's actually pretty cool too. Not what you normally see. Still got some people rolling in. So got the F80 M3 coming in. Got a cool dumped out Little Lexus. And then, like I was saying, we've got just an absolute ton of cars. Move away from him since he's playing his music. But check this out. Got a Millennium Jade Green R33. He had Nismo wheels on it. That's cool. I was surprised this rolled in. It's always cool when you get to see something a little different come out. I'm always happy when I get to see a GTR. Got a right-hand drive FD next to it. Nice, clean, kind of simple JDM setup. Got a little carbon front splitter. But this is really clean. The interior's nice and clean on it. Got a little two-tone. You can see, check how many people are here. Like, there's just a ton of people. So, I just showed you guys, you got the Perfection Auto, which is the collision, the body side that we just went through. They're having to turn cars away now. Got a handful other. Got the little Evo. Got the little M3 on some TEs with some AP Racing brakes. Then we got a mix of different generation M3s. And they've been doubling, tripling, and parking cars. You got the little 488, and then you got the Liberty Walk R8 that's dumped out on some air. That's pretty. I mean, it's cool. We've seen this one a handful of times, and it definitely hard parks really well. Let me see if I can show you guys the shop that Brekkie did their thing with Mafia Motorsports. They got a really cool Accord in here. This is like one of the old JGTC spec Accords. That's pretty cool. And of course they do their work. They got their wheels up on the wall. It's a cool little shop. How's it going, man? How you doing? They putting in work. They got one of the guys doing some filming right here. And then they had to park some extra cars in the back because they were literally running out of room everywhere. So I'll walk you guys back through this side of the shop, and then we'll cut back up and I'll show you what else is here. Got another Ferrari. Got the M3 boys on TEs. You got the silver on white and the white on white. Nice little spec Porsche. And a little everything else. I was showing you guys this side, showing you guys the body shop. I'll walk you up through this way. A lot of good BMWs today. Look at the IS dumped out on some TEs. That actually looks really good. Porsche on some Time Attack TEs. And then this is like one of my favorite specs right here. The white on white with the SSRs. Got the deep dish in the back. It's hard to show you. Let me see. A little shadow. There you go. I don't know. Something about that just does it for me right there. A nice little 300 on some TEs. TEs everywhere. We got a couple classic Porsches. You got the 8.6 over here. It's got lower rockers. It looks like he's doing custom lower rockers on it. Actually, it'll look really good if they decide to do full paint on it. Be really clean. It looks pretty close. So you guys, let me know what you think. I'm gonna run around some more. I'll show you some more cars, and that'll probably be it. I'll probably take off and head over to the next one. So you guys drop your comments below. Let me know what you thought of the meet, And I'll see you guys at the next one. Thanks.
Remember that house right there is 2 lots. I know. So we have 6 houses.